Tell Dada cheese. Here, you want fork? Fork? Happy birthday to Bryce. Cheese.
Go, ah.
What flavor is it, Troy?
Here. You put those in here?
Take a big bite. Big bite. Wow. He's like, ooh, whole. Who did that?
He.
Did you help make the cake with Mama?
No.
Did you help him eat it, huh?
Right on in the middle.
What are those?
Candles?
No.
I
That.
don't know. Folders?
Troy. He's sharing. We told him take some. He decided he wanted to take some.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Hi.
Uh-oh.
Hi.
Saying hi to the doggy.
Hi, dog.
Because you heard beast bark because you wanted some.
Oh, I want to eat it.
Troy, calm down. Just wait.
Mama put some on a plate.
It's a little
Ooh, that was
not hard yet.
No. I want to eat it
Get
big.
a big piece.
Do you want to try some ice cream?
Can I eat it with a knife?
How about this fork?
Oh.
Oh, you want a spoon?
Troy, not with a knife. I think you know how to eat.
Eat nice?
I don't like.
Do you like the cake?
Oh, I found it.
I don't like that.
You don't like the ice cream? No. Troy doesn't want the ice cream. We'll have to eat it all for him.
A spoon?
You want your spoon,
No.
Troy? Good though.
That was it. It's good. And it's maple.
Yeah, fluff forks.
Walnut.
Uh-oh.
Snap. No.
Uh-oh.
Snap.
Where's the
No.
cake?
That's the fork.
Troy, if you guys want a piece.
Oh, this one.
No, I want to eat.
Right there.
Wow.
Take a bite of this.
No. No. No.
Listen to Mama. Mama makes good ice cream and cake. Is that frosting or is that a Cool Whip frosting?
No, that's a different one. That's one.
Very good.
Nice.
This is like egg yolks and butter.
That's good. Brycey, all done? Ooh. You want him to eat?
No, wait, we'll give him some. Here, Bryce.
Mama.
Bryce!
Oh, no. No, bad.
Who did this?
No, he squished it.
Now it's my birthday.
Hands up. Hands up. Dada.
Water.
Okay.